Hey, so a week ago today, on October 13th, lucky 13th, 2022, I hit the 1,000 subscribers mark. I can't believe it. It's an amazing feeling to finally reach it. This means a lot to me, as I would like to explore, discover, and capture the moments on a full-time basis. And I can't do this without all my regular and new subscribers, from my moderators and new viewers. Thank you so much to all for rooting me on to watch me grow with my channel. This is only the beginning, as I have so much to offer and like to share my experiences with you. So, on that note, like Sally Field said back in the day in her speech, you really like me. You really like me. Cheers. Stay tuned for more.